First, let's open up Photoshop and import our animation background image. Double-click its layer to unlock it. Create an empty layer, and a new layer for every frame of the animation that you will draw. We will use the brush tool. Every layer that you will add, will be a new frame of the animation later. Go to Window, Timeline. Click on Create Video Timeline. You can see every frame. Click and drag the frames in order to set their speed. You may want to leave the background frame longer. Rearrange them in the desirable order as follow. Play to preview it. In order to export it as an animated GIF and not as a single frame, go to File, Export, Save for Web. Click Save, and select a destination. Let's test it. All done. Please subscribe.